Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your channel, Crypto Drips. We're gonna be talking today about a new meme coin on Solana blockchain. It didn't hit the market yet, it didn't launch yet. This is a good opportunity, and why I'm sharing with you this meme coin, because of, let's go here to their Twitter. I'm gonna show you why. Okay, they said the OG edible on Sol launching soon. Airdrop details soon. So I'm sharing with you guys this meme coin because the one behind this meme coin called Crypto Banter. And Crypto Banter, he is a big YouTuber that has a lot of followers. Let's go here to his channel. 1 second. Let's go to YouTube. Here. Let's go to Crypto Banter. Right here, guys. This is the guy behind this meme coin. You can see here his picture. He's right here. So he has how many followers? He has 761k subscribers. So, and a lot of big YouTubers are talking about this meme coin. That's why I'm seeing there is a good opportunity to participate in this meme coin. So let's look at the website here. It's cool. It's Gummies. It's another meme coin, but I think it's gonna do big because it has a lot of community behind it. We can see here on Twitter that they have a 20k followers already, and it didn't launch yet. So guys, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what I'm looking, and I find here a new opportunity for us guys to make money. And we don't have to, you don't have to buy it if you don't like it. It's your money, it's your decision. But there is a airdrop coming soon. So let's, like they said here, airdrop details soon. So let's scroll down here. You can see this is the guy behind this token, and he has a lot of followers. So let's go down here and find out about the airdrop. Go down, more down. You can see here is a cute selfie of me with my master. This is the guy behind this token. Okay, let's go more. Okay, airdrop announcement. 5% of all gummies will be dropped to banterbubbles.com. It's a website that looks like this. You have to upload the application and participate and play with these bubbles like this. You can get you can be from the 5% of the guys will be airdropped this free token, and like this you can make money. You don't have to buy it, you just have to participate to get an airdrop. That's a good way if you don't like to participate in the launch of this token. And why I'm seeing there is a good opportunity of this meme coin, because like I said, there's a big community behind it, and the guy behind this token has 761,000 followers already. So a lot of people knows about this, and a lot of people will participate in this token. And they said here, after you download this application and you play with these bubbles, we will soon ask you for Sol address. Like this, when you give them your Sol address, you will get an airdrop. So guys, I don't want you to miss this opportunity. For me, I'm gonna participate. I'm gonna upload this application and play with these bubbles like this. I can get some free airdrop tokens and make money with it. So if you like this new meme coin, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. This is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing with you this token. If you like to participate, it's your money. If you don't, it's your decision too. At least upload this app if you like. I'm not asking you to do so. If you like to participate, you can upload this application and play with this bubbles. Like this, you can get a free airdrops. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day.